I'm Cody with Bartlett Arbor Supply, and this is the Zeppelin Bend. All right, so the Zeppelin Bend, you're basically going to be tying a 9 and a 6. All right, so the Zeppelin Bend is going to be used for anchorage and life support by tying 2 legs of rope together. I'll start out here by making a 9 with this leg of rope, and then I'm going to make a 6 with this leg. So if you can't tell from how I'm pinching, these are opposing, and then you will end up stacking here, and this side will come back and through, and then this will come around the back and come through. So at this point, when I pull it tight, creates the Zeppelin Bend. One key thing to remember, if you are going to climb off of this system, to put stopper knots on either side of the bend, just so in the event that this starts to slip, it's going to knot block on each side. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, bartlettman.com.